Can you be reading this right? A toad in a whole burger? Oh yeah, you're reading it right.
Richard,
George!
now what are you going to make me?
1 minute. What do you mean now?
Now!
These are different days, George.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
I saw a picture of a toad in a hole, which you didn't know what it was.
I didn't. And now
You know what a toad in a hole is? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, because I was making the Juicy Lucy's, I was like, I wonder if you can do that as a burger. So I looked it up and I found one person that does it. So basically, it's a hamburger donut, and then you drop an egg in the middle. And I like to top my burgers with eggs sometimes.
Okay.
And
Yeah, you usually just put it on, right?
Yeah.
Like a fried egg on top of it.
If you're frying
This
the
is
egg
like in it.
In it.
All right.
And then when you cut it, open it up, you got all that nice gooey yolk all over the place.
Okay.
Yolk all over the place.
Yoko.
Yolk.
Wait a minute.
She ruined the Beatles. Get out of here.
Never mind.
I'm going to do like
All right,
Paul
good.
McCartney
Yeah,
and
yeah.
make you leave.
I'm gonna let you do your thing.
Okay.
All right, good.
All right,
So
get out of here.
just cook the damn food.
All right. Just cook the damn food.
I'm going right.
All right, so what's your process for making a
Okay,
donut?
The process is
Yeah,
making a big old badass patty.
yeah. And then what? Taking a scoop out of it? What are you going to do? Oh. Too big, no?
Yeah, good shot glass, yeah.
Yeah.
Shot glass.
There you go.
For the whole egg, the shot glass would be too small.
I don't know. That's kind of wide mouth, though.
They're the same size as all the glasses I have in this house.
Use one of these.
That's too small, too.
That's too small, too.
All right. All right. We're going to do this. We're going to do this.
All
Here we
right.
go.
That'll work.
Yeah. It's going to be a lot of room for the egg, though. All right.
Go.
From a piece.
It's going to be interesting to flip, that's for sure.
It is. It is.
That's what I'm looking forward to.
I want it to hold together, so I'm going to reinforce where I can.
All right.
There
we are.
I just did that.
So,
I guess I'm making
said
another
none
one.
of it. All right. So,
Yeah,
let's make another. Yeah, use the
Straight
innards.
from the 70s.
All right. So, yeah, I'm gonna turn that a bit. There. How's that?
That's good.
All right. So, yeah, he makes this big, huge patty, and I'm narrating for you now. And then, yeah, squishes it down, and then, yeah, there we go.
And then I thread in George.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you got to get a few of those in. And
Call him the weak link of the channel.
then he takes this big ass glass.
That didn't like that.
No.
The one that wasn't on camera looks so much better.
Just reinforce the edges, I guess.
You bring it in while you do it, because it's that's a good egg size.
Yeah, now it is. Originally, though, it was the size of that. Not as much, half the size. That's good. All right. Good luck. Yeah. All right. I'm impressed.
You got skill.
Okay. That's not what we mean, but yeah.
I'm glad to give this one for Charlie to do. Charlie be like, you give me the craziest things to do. It's a burger, Charlie. It's not that crazy.
And oh,
See, like a combo of the two.
yeah. Oh, look at that. Cheating.
I don't care. I wanted to stay together.
All right. That's scary. Oh!
That was yours, George.
So I think it was right. I think it was about the right spot.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it was right. I think I had that. You should have put a $20 bet on it.
Maybe the egg will hold it together.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Oh, I am putting cheese on top. Okay. So.
All right. Okay, here we go.
I think
Here's another shot.
I think you loosen it up and the rounder guitar one underneath
Yeah,
might give it a little more support.
give that a shot. Uh-oh. And hey, all right. Think you got some support there. And
Quickly!
onesie twosie.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Cracked a little bit.
There it is. There it is.
Much
Almost
better.
2 for 2.
Much better. What's the over-under on shells inside?
No, he's good.
Yeah.
If you let some egg white. You should be using this.
Here's what?
To crack it.
Oh, crack eggs on a flat surface.
Uh-uh.
Yes, sir.
No, I use the side of a pan all the time.
Well, you're doing it wrong.
Really?
I see what you're saying.
All right.
We're gonna do the double cheese here.
Ooh.
We're gonna make that thing stay together one way or the other.
Right. Yo, Adrian. Wow.
Stay together. Stay together. Stay together.
I think it did. Except that you didn't quite center it on the bun, but all right. Oh.
Trying to kick it back into
Oh
play.
man! Oh no, we're not capturing that. Oh, there we go. Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh man! You just hold it there. Gotcha. Stay right there. Stay right
That's
there.
the day right here. Let's hold it into play.
I don't know if there's any saving that one.
No, I don't either. It's gonna have to flop.
I can get. Oh no!
Oh no! It's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse.
Okay, this one doesn't exist.
I think we know better now.
I could edit. Guess I'm just gonna call it a toad in the hole burger.
Yeah.
All right, let's cut into this bad boy.
When you get over there, George.
Yeah.
Because I believe eating as soon as cutting
like
happens.
ASAP. Minus pictures.
Oh. If you cut it all the way through, it would have been perfect.
I'll push it back into play.
There you go.
Oh, gotta push it back and play again. Yeah, okay. All right. All right. Now,
Yeah.
we have to get on this side, take picture.
Yeah.
Pickle. Oh, wait, no. Oh, that's not the main meal.
That's not
What
the
we
name.
Oh yeah. Oh buddy. Take a look at that. Uh-huh. Okay, so I mean
That white
and what
done.
this is what I was telling him there, I don't know if you heard that, but he did not toast these buns. And so if you look at this bottom bun, I don't know if you could see that, but look at that. That is just sopping with the yolk right there. You can see it's all yellow. All right, let's give this a shot, see what that is.
Sop it up.
Yeah. Oh man. Like breakfast for dinner. This is good. Oh yeah, I can taste the killings. Yeah, I'm getting smacked with pepper right now. That's good. Oh yeah, and there's nothing else on this. Nothing.
Nothing.
It's burger bread and egg
And cheese.
and cheese. Yes, and and that's a Monterey Jack, right?
Yeah.
The jalapeno pepper cheese. Yeah. Now I'm tasting a little bit of heat, so that's coming through. But now this doesn't need all that much. A little salt and pepper for sure.
Take that bite again, George. What? I'll let you chew first.
Thanks. Thanks. Here we go.
Thumbnails. There you go.
Oh.
Oh.
I don't care if you messed yourself up. Get a diaper.
Damn. Yeah. No. Can you see me? Okay. Here. Put that up. What you need to do is cook yourself. What do they call it? A
Toad in the hole.
toad in a
Toad in a
whole
hole
burger.
burger. I only found
I
one.
never heard of toad in a hole before.
I know. I only
I've seen
found
it done.
one place online that showed that. It's like, okay. Because I was gonna do like the Juicy Lucy,
Yeah.
and it's like, okay, I'll put the hole in the middle like they did. Okay.
I mean, I'm telling you, it's tasty. Definitely tasty. Damn. I mean, and this is thicker than I thought that you would make it. Like, I thought you would, like, flatten a burger, put this in, and then it would be almost like smash burger with the... But no, you went, like, patty.
Take a burger.
Took a damn cup, put it upside down, and popped it right on
You're
there. I'm
taking
like, damn,
You're
dude.
taking half the burger out.
But I'm going to tell you, I mean, that thickness, I mean, there's nothing... it's all flavor. It's all flavor. And it's good. I mean, it was a good balance with the one egg. You could have even done 2 eggs inside each one of those. That's how thick this thing was.
Yeah, and probably the one they did, because I only saw pictures of it, not a video. They probably made them smaller than I did. But hey, we're in Texas, right?
We go big in Texas. Just cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn food.
Weak link right there.
It's like you in this channel.
Oh.
You want the weak sleep.
Goodbye.
Yeah, take that. Take that.
I'm gonna predict something. It's gonna break here on this one, and here on that one.
Want the burger inside.
right here. That's the weak link,
We taking bets on
and
you?
right there.
Yeah, that one definitely.
That's where this is gonna happen.
With the egg in there
Yeah.
and the
No, it
cheese
should
on
be
top.
fine. Should be fine. It all goes down the same place, right?
I'll just edit that part out. These are perfect.